Sifi Technologies takes immense pride in presenting you our state-of-the-art data center at Airoli, Mumbai. As pioneers in the data center and network services space, we have set the standards for the data telecom industry over the last 8 years. The strategically located data center at Airoli near Mumbai is an example of our leadership in setting the benchmark for services and standards over the years. Our combined data center space available is now 200,000 square feet, all certified Level 3 and upwards. The Airoli Data Center ranks among the most superior data hosting centers in India and truly represents the next generation in data centers. The superstructure housing the data center is certified for seismic protection. To ensure better operational control and security, the floor plan is designed with separate supporting rooms for the building management system, command center, fire suppression systems, communications room, staging room, freight elevator, storerooms, UPS rooms and server halls. Freight elevators facilitate unobstructed transportation of servers and other networking devices into the data center. Security guards are present 24/7 in the lobby and other critical locations at the facility. Entry into the data center is restricted on the basis of access privileges and is limited to only designated staff. Proximity cards, PIN-based systems and biometric identification tools have been installed at key locations for regulating access to and inside the data center. A team of certified and trained professionals mans the command center to ensure 24/7 operations and support. Our data center processes adhere to ISO 9001 quality standards and with ISO 27001 for information security management. An online portal facilitates reporting of critical information on parameters like temperature, cooling, humidity, and SLA tracking. The server halls span 45,000 square feet and are divided across various modules. Raised floor height and false ceiling height for the data center is 600 millimeters. These are specifically designed to meet high-density power and cooling requirements. Highly redundant precision air conditioning systems with dust control environment have been installed in the Airoli data center. The rack layout design in the server halls is based on CFD tool to ensure optimized airflow to all the racks. In the cold aisle, air rises through the perforated floor tiles, and in the hot aisle, air returns to the AC units through the perforated false ceiling. A separate module in the server hall has been dedicated for clients who require a secured cage environment. Dedicated enclosures can be provisioned through the cage setup, thus creating a virtual data center area for clients. Separate raceways have been designed to carry data and power cabling. The facility is protected from fire hazards by FM200 gas-based fire suppressant systems integrated with Vesta. Prior to co-location in the server halls, all devices are housed in the staging room, where the basic inventory checking, installations and upgradation of the devices are carried out. The data center has network connectivity with all major telecom operators. This carrier-neutral feature facilitates extension of our clients' links from service providers into our data center network. High-end devices like IPS, firewalls, routers, server load balancers and switches have been installed in a redundant architecture. This guarantees a highly available network infrastructure at the data center. In a specially designated area, a centralized console manages all components of the building management system, such as temperature, humidity, advanced fire detection and suppression systems, water leakage detection, electronic rodent control, and digital video surveillance cameras covering the center. On any instance of deviation from prescribed parameters, it raises alarms and initiates appropriate action. Power is sourced from two different substations, with a dedicated transformer bank extending feeds to the UPS systems set up in separate rooms. The racks in the server halls are connected to the UPS systems through the redundant low-tension or LT panels. And each UPS system is backed up by a separate battery bank. Additionally, primary power is amply backed up with 2 high-power diesel gensets with high-capacity underground fuel tanks, each with a 24-hour supply capacity. The quality of power fed to the racks is constantly monitored through a dedicated branch circuit monitoring system. Thus, the overall power infrastructure at the data center is built in a highly redundant mode to guarantee very high uptimes. As India's largest fully integrated ICT company, we are at the forefront of providing end-to-end solutions that span the entire gamut of the electronic commerce value chain. The Airoli data center has been specifically designed to exceed the current infrastructure expectations and bears testimony to our commitment in keeping you ahead.